Hi guys, this is Dinil Rahul. Welcome to my channel. How are you all? So guys, finally a big day, and it's been almost 340 days I think. So every day I was traveling, every state, every corner, every district in India alone. So many struggles, so many things happened. So I'll share my everything, I'll share everything like experience, budget, about this bike performance, my struggles. So many things are there in this video. Everything I'll share in this video, guys. So first I'll start with like when I started this trip. See, exactly last year by this time I thought to do Indian road trip. So that too alone, not like only particular place, like like one tourist place. I want to see each and everything in India, everything in India. So and at the same time I thought to make a vlogs, guys. So I don't know, because I'm completely beginner when it comes to like making vlogs and all. I don't have YouTube channel also in that time. So then I started YouTube channel. Then I started watching some people who are famous, like making vlogs and motor vlogs and all. So I have seen almost everyone vlogs. I'll tell you one thing. If you see any top YouTubers, like motor vlogs, people who do motor vlogs and all, they will do only one thing. They will take their bike from one place to one more place. Like example, from Mumbai to they will go Delhi. Otherwise from Hyderabad to Manali. So like that they will go for a ride and they will come back. Again they will take rest after some days or some months. Again whenever they want to go, they will go and they will come back. This is how everybody is doing vlogs. So when I see, I was like, I want to do something new and like something big. So not like like small trips, small rides. Then I started okay, chalo, we'll do. So next 1 year, so I mean almost, I don't know whether it will take 1 year or 2 years. So next 1 year, every state, every district, every corner of India, every corner, there is no like only this and that. I'm not talking about only tourist places, everything. If you see, I made almost 290 or 270 videos every day. One video I used to make every day. So I made videos on foods, cultures, traditions, people, like nature, everything. I made a video. I don't have any particular only I want to do this and all. If I like something, chalo, one video. So I interacted with almost more than 1,000 people, every state, every villages, everywhere. I interacted with so many people and I got so many experience, and I had so many foods. I have seen so many cultures, traditions. I met so many riders, more than 1,000 riders I met in this trip, in everywhere in India, every day. There are so many experience, guys, most beautiful experience. And I travel like in COVID time. So I had almost 29 COVID tests. Again I'm telling you, I had almost 29 COVID tests. I used to carry my COVID reports and I used to carry e-pass. In lockdown also I was traveling every. When it comes to my routine, guys, every day morning I'll wake up, morning 6:30 I'll wake up, 7:30 I'll come out. So 7:30 to night 7 o'clock every day I used to travel, every day. And 7:30 to night 10 o'clock I used to edit videos. So whatever I made a videos from morning to evening, I used to edit videos and I will upload. Then I will sleep. Then again morning, again same routine. So this is my routine every day. And I have a camping, I have a kitchen setup. I used to cook my own food. So mostly 90% wherever I go, I'll buy groceries, I'll put my camping, I'll stay there and I'll cook my food. Because if I want to travel every day like this, I should be like healthy. So that's why I eat like my own food, like eggs, chicken, rice, like brown rice, chapati, vegetables, fruits, nuts. All this I used to eat every day. And if I like some like famous foods, like example, if I go Amritsar, like kulcha, it's a very famous there in Rajasthan, sweets. So like this I will eat. Again I'll come back to my routine, like food habits and all. And I did more than 100 camping, guys, everywhere in India, every state in India, including Kashmir also. Again I'm telling, Kashmir and Kargil, and the most dangerous forest in like Bandipura forest in Tamil Nadu. Everywhere I made a camping alone. And because I want that experience, like night time staying alone in the forest, I came to live also. You can watch my first video, I think, yeah, first or second video, night time in like deep forest, how it will be, everything. I made a video, you can watch those videos. When it comes to budget, guys, So I spent almost 15 lakhs rupees only for my expenses in almost 340 days, because one full tank cost for this bike 1000 rupees. So two full tanks 2000 rupees. In north strip almost I spent 2000 rupees in a day. In south I didn't spend 2000, but north. And my food, my hotel expenses almost 2000 rupees in a day. Hotel minimum 1000 rupees, and my food in north we won't get south food, like like for cheap price, like like 100 rupees and all. If you want proper food means you have to spend money in North India. So I spent almost 2000 rupees and local permit and like entry fees, almost 4000 rupees I spent. I'm not telling every day 4000, but almost 4000 rupees I spent in a day. And including bike means almost 20 lakhs. My laptop, cameras, camera accessories, I have 80D and GoPro, both two cameras, and a Lenovo ThinkPad laptop, and bike, my riding gears, everything, almost 20 lakhs rupees I spent. And the most important question, everybody they'll ask this: from where you are getting this much money? I'll tell you one thing, guys. I don't have rich parents. I'm not from rich family, background and all. Even I'm a middle class guy. Whatever I spent in this trip, each and every rupee is my, like my own savings, my own money. I didn't even take 1 rupee from my parents. I didn't even ask them I want money and all. Almost it took 7 years to save this much money. So everybody knows that I'm an actor in Telugu industry, and I was into modeling and fitness trainer also. So I have my savings. So I have a plan. Like I had a plan before only. Like I want to explore everywhere in India. So that's why I started saving almost from 7 years. Guys, there are so many memories are there. The first thing is like with our Indian army. I think everybody watched our Indian army video. Like I went to Kashmir. So with heavy snowfall I stuck. I'm unable to move my bike in heavy snowfall. So then I went to Major Sir and I asked him help. Then he sent almost 30 soldiers for me, and one big truck and one jeep. With that, they saved me in that like snow. So that is the most memorable moments in my complete life, because I spent like such a nice time with army people, and I came to know so many things, so sweet, and like I was very happy. And worst incident means Bihar, guys. I think it is really worst incident and theft attack in Bihar, and I'm about to I don't know what will happen that day. When you're traveling in Bihar alone, few villages, I'm not talking everywhere in Bihar, only few places, and I met so many kids, small cute kids, and I really love I really loved a lot, their company, their dance. Wherever I go I used to do dance. And villages, such a beautiful villages, guys. I used to tell everyone Assam is my favorite place. Again I'm telling you, in all over India I travel every state, every corner, but if anybody asks me which state you like most, means Assam. In Assam villages, guys, I made a video, last 2 videos, you just watch please those videos. Assam is like people and that village vibes. One day definitely I'll go there, I'll buy one land and I'll settle in Assam villages. There is no doubt. And if anybody is watching this video from Assam, please do message in Instagram, because I need more people from Assam, because I don't know anyone from Assam. So I really loved a lot Assam, guys. And in South India, when it comes to South India, Karnataka, my favorite place, in South India, Karnataka. When it comes to North, Nashik. I really loved it, guys. Nashik, it's my favorite place. Nashik and Dwarka. In Gujarat there is a place, Dwarka. It's really it's like I can't even leave that place. Dwarka and Nashik, these two are my favorite places. And northeast Assam and Meghalaya. South Karnataka. Karnataka is like heaven. That's why when I started this trip, I started from Karnataka only. Then I went to Kerala. Then I went to Tamil Nadu. From there Andhra Pradesh. Then Telangana. Then Goa. Then Chhattisgarh. Then Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Jammu Kashmir, Haryana, and Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand. From there I went to Sikkim, Bihar, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, Orissa. Right now I'm in Orissa. I'm going back to Bangalore now. So this is how I traveled every day, every state, and I'm covering all the places. I don't have any like I want to visit only tourist places or tourist spots. If you see all my videos, 90% of videos you can see like random places, hidden places. I used to travel those kind of places, and I was very happy with this trip, and I learned so many things. When it comes to this bike performance, this is the most important topic right now. I'll tell you one thing, guys. Before starting this trip, I did a lot of research. I don't know about bikes that much. Seriously, I'm telling, I really don't know about bikes. So then I have only two options in this research. One is Himalayan, and second one is Dominar. So Himalayan is such a nice bike. Everybody know Himalayan is it's a good bike. But I don't have tubeless tires. And when it comes to looks also, it's my personal opinion. Dominar looks are really stylish looks, and I really loved a lot these looks. So then I compared, and tubeless tires is there, power, everything is fine. Then I took this bike. So I thought to take Dominar 400 only. Then I went to showroom. They told this is the new bike 250. Recently they launched, and people still they didn't take this bike and all. Then I was like, I asked them what is the difference between Dominar 400 and 250. They said everything is same. Similar. A little bit changes are there, power and tires and this kind of stuff. I was like. Then I thought to take this only. Then they told you can take 400 only. And I was like, everybody tried. I heard that in Dominar 400 everybody went to Ladakh, but 250 nobody didn't try because it's a new bike. Then I was like, okay, I will finish in this bike, all over India trip 250. So I'll be the first person who travel all over India in this bike. So I was like, okay, chalo. That too I can save money also. In Bangalore you can save almost 50 to 60,000 rupees for Dominar 400 and Dominar 250, and you will get mileage also. Mileage also similar to 400 and 250, but little bit you will get more mileage. They'll tell you everything now. The first thing, guys, mileage. So it will give you in city 30 kilometers. In highway, if you are not crossing 120 speed, it will give you almost 35 kilometers mileage. And if you cross 125 speed, it will give you 25 to 26 mileage it will give. So for me, it is really good when it comes to mileage. Like in a touring bike. And when it comes to power, trust me guys, for one person this power is really next level. I can tell you for one person because I didn't try with two persons. So for me this power is really damn good. There is no doubt. I'm not talking about only in highways or something, guys. I traveled in every all kind of weathers and all roads, mountains, highways, off roads, everywhere I tried this bike in India. Every road, all kind of roads. When it comes to power, this is really good. And one thing I want to say, it's a very important thing. I want to do this for brakes, because it saved me almost so many times. Brakes, guys, I can't even express this brakes. It's really damn good brakes. And when it comes to comfort, I'm traveling every day almost 10 to 12 hours every day. I never get back pain till now. I don't have any problems. You can see without any health problems. So without staying anywhere, directly from Gangtok to rowing in Arunachal Pradesh, 20 to 23 hours, 1065 kilometers in one shot. I didn't even feel any back pains and all. Just for every 300 to 400 kilometers, every 300 kilometers I used to stop somewhere. Then again I'll go. That's it. You won't even get any back pains. And for every bike there is a drawback, guys. It's common for any bike you take. As I said, for Himalayan, my personal opinion, there is no tubeless tires. So for this bike, tires problem in the sense skinny tires. It is for me it looks like cycle tires for this bike. It looks very big, this bike, but when it comes to tires, whatever, I got stock tires, I'm telling. So I didn't like tires that much. So what I did, I changed to Ralco tires. It looks this much big. So it's good, and performance also good. In before video I told you I'll make a video on tires and all. Ralco tires, and I used almost for 10,000 kilometers in 2 months I think. Yeah, in 2 months 10,000 kilometers. So it's really good Ralco tires. And I traveled with these tires only in snow places also, mountains, Himachal Pradesh mountains. It's really good. So if you ask me about this bike in one word, if you are looking for budget bike in touring for touring purpose, this is the best bike, guys. Again, I'm telling you, this is the best bike. In this budget, you won't get this kind of bike anywhere. I can say, like looks wise, power wise, everything. So according to me, it's my personal opinion. Again, I'm telling you, everybody have different opinions. It's my personal opinion. Dominar 2 is the best budget bike when it comes to touring purpose. I really loved a lot this bike, and without this bike, maybe I can't travel like this. So we both made it, like a big, achievement. Me and my bike, and I have, so many memories with this bike. So I don't want to sell this. I'll keep with me always. So because whenever I see this bike, I can remember my memories. Okay, me and this bike went to all over India, every state and every district in this bike only. So I don't sell this bike. Thank you so much, Dominar. And I want to say thanks to Dominar lovers and Dominar owners, and people who love Dominars, guys. There are so many Dominars, riders I met in this trip. Such a nice people, and I want to say thanks to Harsh bro. There is a guy, Harsh, he's from Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior. Dominar 400 all over India group admin. So I want Harsh bro. There is a guy, Harsh, he's from Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior. Dominar 400 all over India group admin. So I want to say thanks to him. He allowed me to post all my stories in his group. Not only that, guys, he invited to his home for lunch, and such a nice guy. And because of him, I came to know so many things, and he's such a nice guy, guys. I really want to say thanks to him. Thank you so much, Harsh bro, and people who are in that group, Dominar 400 all over India group. To each and everyone, thank you so much, guys, because you guys supported me so much. And at the same time, if I have any doubts also from that group, so many people, they help me for information wise, and they motivate me. They gave support. Thank you so much, each and everyone, for Dominar 400 all over India group. And I want to say one more thanks to one more person. Today, now I am here, I see, before starting this trip, I don't even know any riders. I don't know anyone from any groups, WhatsApp groups or Facebook groups. Only because of this fellow, I came into this, all groups, in this community. Sachyam Prakash, Sachyam bro. So because of this guy only, I came to all these groups, Dominar community, bikers. So we both bought this bike from same showroom. So he came to know from showroom, he went to showroom, and he asked. There is a guy, one more guy also bought a Dominar 250, and he's traveling all over India. So then he came to know like that, and he approached me somewhere with someone. So then he took my number, and he added me in all WhatsApp groups, in Facebook. Thank you so much. And finally I got a good offer, guys, from good brand. So as everybody expected this offer, this guy should get recognition from this brand and all. So finally I got that call. So I can't share complete details in this video because without their permission. So I will share soon those details, what is the big offer and all. So and my next trip, it will be on another country. So from India to one more country I am planning in this bike only. That too alone, same bike. So that country, the details, everything I will share soon. And if you have any doubts, guys, please do follow me on Instagram. ID Dinil Rahul. So any problems regarding touring and bike and all, I will message, I will reply. So without any tension, you can ask me. Everybody have problems, guys. Even I have problems, family problems, responsibilities, everything I have. But still I save a lot of money and I travel because I love traveling. That's why I did this much and all. If anybody want to travel, please save money and travel, because again you won't get this age. Again you won't get this much strength and stamina. You can't travel when you get 60 or 50 years old. So travel when you are when you have money, everything. Save money. You can save at least 1,000 rupees also. We can save it with 1,000 rupees also. We can travel. So if you really love traveling, don't think I don't have money, I have problems and all. Everybody have problems. If you really love traveling, keep traveling and die with memories. Not with bloody regrets. Okay, I didn't do anything. And also finally I want to tell you only one thing: save money, travel more, and die with memories and no regrets. Okay, so bye bye guys, take care, love you.